A temple, from the Latin word templum, is a building reserved for religious or spiritual rituals and activities such as prayer and sacrifice. It is typically used for such buildings belonging to all faiths where a more specific term such as church, mosque or synagogue is not generally used in English. These include Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism among religions with many modern followers, as well as other ancient religions such as ancient Egyptian religion. Tirumala is a census town in Chittoor district of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. The town is a part of Tirupati Urban Development Authority and located in Tirupati Mandal of Tirupati Revenue Division. It is a hill town where Tirumala Venkateswara Temple is located, which is the abode of Lord Venkateswara in ancient literature. Tirupati is mentioned as Adi Varaha Kshetra. The Puranas associate the site with Lord Varaha. The 7 peaks represent the 7 heads of Adisesha Sri Venkateswara Brahmotsavams celebrated every year during September-October is the most important festival in Tirumala when it receives lakhs of devotees over a short span of 9 days. Brihadishwara Temple, also called Rajarajaswaram or Peruvudaiyakkavil, is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva located in south bank of Kaveri River in Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, India. It is one of the largest South Indian temples and an exemplary example of a fully realized Dravidian architecture. It is called as Dakshinameru, built by Tamil King Rajaraja Chola I between 1003 and 1010 AD. The temple is a part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site known as the Great Living Chola Temples, along with the Chola dynasty era Gangaikonda Cholapuram Temple and Eravateswara Temple that are about 70 kilometers and 40 kilometers to its northeast respectively. Virupaksha Temple is located in Hampi in the Ballari district of Karnataka, India. It is part of the group of monuments at Hampi, designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is dedicated to Lord Virupaksha, a form of Shiva. The temple was built by Lakand and Anaika, chieftain, under the ruler Devaraya II, also known as Pradhadevaraya of the Vijayanagara Empire. Hampi, capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, sits on the banks of the Tungabhadra River. Virupaksha Temple is the main center of pilgrimage at Hampi, and had been considered the most sacred sanctuary over the centuries. It is intact among the surrounding ruins and is still used in worship. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, known here as Virupaksha, as the consort of the local goddess Pampadevi who is associated with the Tungabhadra River. The Padmanabhaswamy Temple is a Hindu temple located in Thiruvananthapuram, the state capital of Kerala, India. The name of the city of Thiruvananthapuram in Malayalam translates to the city of Lord Ananta, referring to the deity of the Padmanabhaswamy temple. The temple is built in an intricate fusion of the Chera style and the Dravidian style of architecture, featuring high walls and a 16th century gopura. While the Anantapura temple in Kumbla is considered the original seat of the deity Mulasthanam, architecturally to some extent, the temple is a replica of the Adikesva Perumal temple in Thiruvattar. Meenakshi Temple, also referred to as Meenakshi Amman Temple or Meenakshi Sundareshwara Temple, also spelled as Meenakshi Temple, is a historic Hindu temple located on the southern bank of the Vegai River in the temple city of Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is dedicated to Meenakshi, a form of Parvati, and her consort, Sundareshwar, a form of Shiva. The temple is at the center of the ancient temple city of Madurai mentioned in the Tamil Sangam literature, with the goddess temple mentioned in 6th century CE texts. The town of Madurai is ancient and one mentioned in Sangam era texts. These are dated to be from the 1st to 4th century CE. Some early Tamil texts call Madurai as Pudur, and these portray it as a capital and a temple town where every street radiated from the temple. Kedarnath Mandir. Kedarnath Temple is a Hindu temple shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva. located on the Garhwal Himalayan range near the Mandakini River. Kedarnath is located in the state of Uttarakhand, India. Due to extreme weather conditions, the temple is open to the general public only between the months of April Akshaya Tritiya and November Kartik Purnima, the autumn full moon. During the winters, the Vigraha deity from Kedarnath temple is carried down to Okhimat and where the deity is worshipped for the next 6 months. Kedarnath is seen as a homogeneous form of Lord Shiva, the Lord of Kedlakhand, the historical name of the region. The Sri Jagannath Temple of Puri is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Vishnu, in Puri in the state of Odisha on the eastern coast of India. The temple is an important pilgrimage destination. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards, on the site of an earlier temple, and begun by King Anantavamanchoda Gangadeva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The Puri temple is famous for its annual Ratha Yatra, or chariot festival, in which the three principal deities are pulled on huge and elaborately decorated temple cars. These gave their name to the English term Juggernaut. Unlike the stone and metal icons found in most Hindu temples, the image of Jagannath is made of wood and is ceremoniously replaced every 12 or 19 years by an exact replica. It is one of the Char Dham. The Dwarkadhish temple, also known as the Jagat Mandir and occasionally spelled Dwarakadhish, is a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Krishna, who is worshipped here by the name Dwarkadhish, or King of Dwarka. The temple is located at Dwarka, Gujarat, India. The main shrine of the 5-storied building, supported by 72 pillars, is known as Jagat Mandir or Nij Mandir. Archaeological findings suggest it to be 2000 to 2200 years old. The temple was enlarged in the 15th-16th century. The Dwarkadhish temple is a Pashtimag temple, hence it follows the guidelines and rituals created by Vallabhacharya and Vithaleshnath. Lord Athi-Varadaraja Perumal is a form of Vishnu and the original deity of the Varadaraja Perumal temple in Kanchi, a temple town near Chennai in Tamil Nadu, South India. The deity is named Athi-Varadar as the idol is made of the Athi or the fig tree. The deity is special as the idol is stored in an underground chamber inside the temple tank which is called the Ananta Sarovaram and is brought out for worship for 48 days. After every 40 years the holy idol is placed in the Vasantha Mantapam for 48 days which is located in the southwest corner of the temple, and there are 2 different sevas done during this period.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. Subscribe to Inverse Dark and activate bell icon.